Welcome to Reggio Calabria, Italy where the sea meets history. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Italy? Imagine a place where history and beauty intertwine seamlessly. Picture sparkling blue waters lapping against ancient shores, where every wave seems to whisper stories of the past. This is Reggio Calabria, a city in sunny southern Italy. Nestled between the mountains and the sea, it offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich history. Reggio Calabria is bursting with history, delicious food, and friendly people. Imagine strolling through its charming streets where every corner offers a new culinary delight. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins in the morning and relax on the beach in the afternoon. The juxtaposition of history and leisure is truly captivating. Reggio Calabria is like stepping back in time. The cobblestone streets and historical buildings transport you to a different era, making you feel like a part of its storied past. You can walk in the footsteps of ancient Greeks and Romans. Imagine the lives they led, the stories they told, and the legacy they left behind. You can see amazing art and artifacts. The museums here are treasure troves of history, showcasing relics that span centuries. And best of all, you can enjoy the warmth of the Italian sun. Whether you're sunbathing on the beach or sipping espresso in an open square, the sun's embrace is ever present. Get ready for an adventure. Pack your bags and gather your friends because Reggio Calabria promises an unforgettable journey. Let's discover all the amazing things Reggio Calabria has to offer. From its historical landmarks to its vibrant culture, every moment here is a new adventure waiting to unfold. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Reggio Calabria, remember to click the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of this video and the join button below. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more incredible journeys with you. Thank you, and let's start our discovery journey now. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love travel as much as you do. Our first stop takes us to the National Museum of Magna Graecia. Get ready to be amazed by two incredible statues called the Riace Bronzes. These life-size bronze warriors are over 2,500 years old. They were found in the sea near Reggio Calabria in 1972. Imagine divers finding these incredible statues underwater. They were a remarkable discovery. The Riace Bronzes are so realistic, you can almost imagine them coming to life. Their muscles and expressions are incredibly detailed. They are a powerful reminder of ancient Greek art and history. Next, we're off to explore a real-life castle. The Aragonese Castle of Reggio Calabria has watched over the city for centuries. Imagine standing on the castle walls, looking out at the same view that soldiers saw hundreds of years ago. You can almost hear the clash of swords and the shouts of battle. The castle has been through a lot, from earthquakes to sieges. Today, it's a fascinating place to explore. You can walk through its ancient corridors and imagine what life was like in medieval times. Our journey through time continues at the National Archaeological Museum. This museum is full of amazing artifacts from ancient times. It's like stepping back into the world of the Greeks and Romans. You can see ancient pottery, jewelry, and even tools used by people long ago. One of the most interesting things to see is a collection of tiny terracotta statues. These figures show people going about their daily lives in ancient times. It's amazing to think that these little statues have survived for thousands of years. They give us a glimpse into a world long gone. We are now journeying to the sun, sand, and sparkling waters beaches of Reggio Calabria. After all that history, it's time for some fun in the sun. Reggio Calabria has some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy. Imagine soft golden sand between your toes and the warm Mediterranean sun on your skin. The water is so clear that you can see right through to the bottom. You can build sand castles, splash in the waves, or simply relax and soak up the sun. The beaches of Reggio Calabria are perfect for families, friends, and anyone who loves to be by the sea. Don't forget your swimsuit and sunscreen. We are now venturing into nature's playground, Aspromonte National Park. For a change of pace, let's head inland to explore the Aspromonte National Park. This beautiful park is a nature lover's paradise. Imagine towering mountains, lush forests, and sparkling streams. It's a great place to go hiking, biking, or simply enjoy the fresh air. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. The park is home to all sorts of creatures, from deer to wild boar. You might even spot a rare bird of prey soaring high above. The Aspromonte National Park is a reminder that there's more to Italy than just cities and beaches. We are now diving into a taste of Reggio Calabria, Culinary Delights. Nestled in the heart of southern Italy, Reggio Calabria is a treasure trove of culinary wonders waiting to be discovered. All that exploring is sure to make you hungry. As you wander through the charming streets, the aroma of freshly cooked food will tantalize your senses. Luckily, Reggio Calabria is a foodie's dream come true. The city offers a plethora of dining options, from cozy trattorias to bustling food markets. The local cuisine is known for its fresh ingredients and bold flavors. The markets are brimming with vibrant fruits, vegetables, and seafood, all sourced locally. Imagine biting into a juicy slice of pizza straight from a wood-fired oven. The crust is perfectly crispy, and the toppings are a delightful mix of fresh, local produce. One of the most famous dishes from Reggio Calabria is nduja, a spicy, spreadable salami. This unique delicacy is made from pork, herbs, and a generous amount of chili peppers. It's often used to add a kick to pasta sauces. The heat from the nduja perfectly complements the rich, savory flavors of the sauce. Another must-try is swordfish, which is caught fresh in the waters off the coast. Swordfish is a staple in Reggio Calabria's cuisine, often grilled to perfection and served with a squeeze of lemon. And don't forget to save room for dessert. The city's bakeries are filled with an array of sweet treats that are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Reggio Calabria is known for its delicious pastries, like cannoli and sfogliatelle. These pastries are made with delicate, flaky dough and filled with sweet, creamy ricotta. Each bite is a perfect blend of textures and flavors, making them a must-try for any visitor. Now we are journeying to the zesty scent of bergamot, a sensory experience. As you stroll through the streets of Reggio Calabria, you might notice a unique and refreshing scent in the air. That's the aroma of bergamot, a citrus fruit that grows in the region. Imagine the zesty scent of orange peel mixed with a hint of floral sweetness. Bergamot is used to make all sorts of things, from perfumes to teas. It's even used to flavor Earl Grey tea. You can find bergamot-infused products all over Reggio Calabria, from soaps to candies. Take a whiff and let the invigorating aroma transport you to a citrus grove. My dear friends, we are now exploring the heart of the city, Piazza Italia and Corso Garibaldi. No trip to Reggio Calabria would be complete without a visit to Piazza Italia, the city's main square. This bustling square is a great place to people watch and soak up the local atmosphere. Imagine sitting at a cafe, sipping an espresso, and watching the world go by. From Piazza Italia, take a stroll down Corso Garibaldi, Reggio Calabria's main shopping street. Here you'll find everything from designer boutiques to traditional artisan shops. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or two to remember your trip. Now I will take you deeper to explore the festivals and events celebrating Reggio Calabria's vibrant culture. Reggio Calabria is a city that loves to celebrate. The spirit of festivity is woven into the very fabric of this vibrant city. Throughout the year, there are all sorts of festivals and events that bring the city to life. From traditional religious celebrations to modern cultural events, there's always something happening that draws both locals and visitors alike. Imagine colorful parades, lively music, and delicious food. The streets are often filled with the sounds of traditional music, the aroma of local cuisine, and the sight of beautifully decorated floats and costumes. One of the biggest celebrations is the Feast of Madonna della Consolazione, the city's patron saint. This event is deeply rooted in the city's history and culture, and it brings the entire community together in a display of faith and unity. During this festival, a statue of the Madonna is carried through the streets, accompanied by marching bands and cheering crowds. The atmosphere is electric, with people of all ages participating in the festivities. It's a sight to behold. The energy and enthusiasm of the crowd are contagious, making it an unforgettable experience for everyone involved. Other popular events include the Reggio Calabria Film Fest, which showcases a diverse range of films from around the world. This event attracts filmmakers, actors, and film enthusiasts, turning the city into a hub of cinematic creativity. And the Riace Jazz Festival. This festival is a must-attend for music lovers, featuring performances by renowned jazz artists in various picturesque locations around the city. There's always something going on in Reggio Calabria. Whether you're a fan of music, film, food, or traditional celebrations, you'll find an event that captures your interest and showcases the rich cultural heritage of this beautiful city. Dear adventurers, we have come to the end of our journey to cover the hidden gems of Reggio Calabria. Reggio Calabria awaits for your Italian adventure. Reggio Calabria is a city that has it all: history, culture, nature, and delicious food. It's a place where you can relax on the beach, explore ancient ruins, and experience the warmth of Italian hospitality. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your adventure today. Reggio Calabria is waiting to welcome you with open arms. You're sure to make unforgettable memories in this beautiful and fascinating corner of Italy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below. Also, remember to subscribe and join our channel for more amazing adventures. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content. Grazie mille!